Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fade your images in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. Now we will need to place or to import an image so we can fade it or change its opacity. To import an image, you can just click Ctrl plus the keys on your keyboard and you will have this menu, or you will have this pop-up window, and then you search for your image. Make sure that you are selecting images here so you can find all the images and not only the importable file, because you may not find them. So basically this is my image and I can just click open and it will be placed here. The second way to do or to place your image is to go to the file menu and click on place, or you can just basically and simply drag your image to your document and bring it here. So after you bring in your image and placing it in your document, you will need to go to its properties so we can fade it. And now we will see the appearance. There is an option that is called opacity in the appearance, and here where we can fade our image in Adobe InDesign. So the opacity is the transparency of your image, and now you can just edit it until you have the desired effect, or fade it however to the degree that you want. So now let's have it back, and now we have our image that is faded. This is how you can do it in Adobe InDesign. So this is how we did it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.